Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Good morning, good morning. I have just finished my vlog from yesterday in the same spot, the same style, the same. I just literally filmed it 30 seconds ago. So if you see me in exactly the same place with exactly the same clothes and appearance, that's why. But I just wanted to tell you all good morning. Hi. Welcome to Vlogmas day 22, is it? Wow. Yeah. This is crazy. Two more days for you guys until Christmas. 3 for me from the time that I'm filming it. But it is wow. So today, plan of actions. I needed a plan of actions because yesterday was a bit of a flop. So today, work. Obviously, I have a big presentation that I need to do. The last presentation of the year. This is gonna feel amazing. And then I want to cut my hair. I want to do my nails. And that is the bare minimum that I will accept from myself today. There's nothing that's gonna stop me from doing this. I don't know if I'll do the garden, maybe not, who knows, but then I will be doing these two things. So let's, it's currently 8:30, so I still have a bit of time until I have to start work. But I wanna start early to make sure I get the presentation done and out of the way, because that's the most important part of today. So let's start work.
A few moments later.
Right, so I'm gonna cut my hair now. The first step is to brush it out and make sure it's quite damp so that it's straight and I know exactly what length I want to go for. So let's do that first, and then I'm gonna have to actually take the phone that I'm filming with because that's where the tutorial is. And I'm always following Pickup Line's tutorial when it comes to this. I just found her tutorials like the easiest to follow, and she's super friendly and I've been following her for loads of years. So that's why I've choose her, but let's do it. And just before I start doing that, a couple of things that I am using and that you'll probably be needing as well is some sort of sprayer bottle so you can wet your hair. Brush, comb, whatever you prefer, hair ties, obviously scissors, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go. I'm gonna put on the tutorial and we'll start.
Now, to cut your own hair at home, you're just gonna need 4 simple things: some hair elastics or hair clips, whichever you prefer. You're gonna need some scissors. That one should go with it.
So this is my hair length before. I've made it wet so that it's straight, and I'm also gonna put this newspaper on the floor so that I don't have hair everywhere afterwards. So I'm just gonna use this up. So I'm sectioning the top part of my hair. I'll be dealing with this later. I'm just putting it in a bun or whatever to get it out of the way.
Right of the center part and flipped it over to the opposite side of my head and tied away all of the...
And this is how the layers look like so far. Now, this is not going to be a perfect job. I'm not a hairstyler. I'm not a hairstylist, so I have no idea what I'm doing, but I don't mind it. It's hair, it grows back, so let's keep going. And this is gonna be the shortest piece. So now I'm just gonna basically follow this and go longer with each new strand. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna put a podcast in the background because this is gonna take a while. And this is the final result. I'm gonna wash my hair now, but to be honest, it's short. I like it. And like I said, it's gonna grow anyways. So I like having to do this, and I like doing this every maybe like 6 months to give it a refresh, and then it grows eventually. But yeah, happy with the results. There are definitely some layers, and I think once it's washed, all the layers are gonna come together, and I'm almost out of blonde hair. I don't think I have much left, so I need to enjoy these last few months because they're gonna be my last months as having blonde in my hair. And now, because I've done such a great job on myself, I also have a customer that decided he was gonna let himself at my mercy. But let's see what we can do for him. Happy customer? Hey everyone, there is no light like there usually is, although I'm standing right in front of my window, but that's because it is pitch black outside. And what's the best thing to do at this time of day? Christmas shopping, obviously. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go to Tesco's. I'm gonna do my big Christmas shop, and I hate crowds. I don't hate them, but I would rather not put myself in them if possible and avoid them, basically. but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be driving to Tesco. I woke up super early at 6:30 to make sure that I'm ready. It's currently around 7:20, 7:30, so I'll get there before 8, and then I'll be in and out, no crowds, and done with my Christmas shopping. So let's hope I'm gonna find everything. I've got my trusty bag so I can keep my list, my money, my ID, super important because no one gives me like alcohol and stuff without seeing my ID. I also have a pound, extremely important to have a pound because otherwise no trolley and I will have to do a lot of shopping today. So let's go, let's do that. And I thought I would include it in today's vlog because it's not like I did much yesterday. This morning I put some mask in my hair because I didn't have time to wash my hair yesterday, but I'm planning to do it right after I come back from Tesco. And yeah, we'll see. Let's go and do my Christmas shop. I'm super excited. I love shopping in like large quantities for food. Important, don't forget your bags, especially if you're gonna do the scanning thing with the club card, because you don't want to have to add item by item into your basket afterwards. And yeah, let's go. I gotta say I wasn't expecting that. I've been coming to Tesco's in the summer or any other time at 7-8 a.m. and there was no one, and I struggled to find a parking spot. So I'm super happy I came in the morning actually, because I can't imagine what it's like to be here at 4, 5, 6 p.m. or even later. So let's go, let's do my Christmas shopping. There's someone in front of me that definitely got a lot and I'm planning to do the same, so let's go. I'm ready to go. Send help. Shopping done. I'm back home. I've parked the car, but I'm not gonna unload the bags because it's currently 9:10, so I actually have to start work. I dropped my boyfriend off at the at his Christmas party. And now I need to put everything in the fridge, which is gonna be fun because I have a lot of stuff and I have a tiny fridge. So let's see how that's gonna work. But the house is a mess, a chaos. My boyfriend is on cleaning duty tomorrow. The entire day is gonna be immaculate and I'm on cleaning duty. So right now, let's put everything in the fridge and then we'll figure out the rest later. Everything that needs to be in the fridge is in the fridge. We have a lot of things left, but I'm not gonna worry about this because like I said, I have to work. This is our fridge at the moment, fully stocked and ready to go. I do have to cook tomorrow a lot, so it will be interesting to see how that is gonna look like. But that being said, I'm gonna leave you here for today's vlog. I'm actually gonna start another vlog today later after I finish work because there's gonna be a lot of cleaning happening today and I want to capture that in a separate vlog. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!